so excited to share some things with you that will literally transform your hair. Remember, I told you we're going to demystify a lot of those sayings and those opinions within the Sisterlocks community. So let's talk about what your beliefs are about moisturizing your Sisterlocks. So I have my board here. Steaming actually conditions. Robin has been featured on CNN, Headline News, and countless other media outlets sharing her insight on food and nutrition. And that's a very humble bio, okay? So Robin, without further ado, look, this is your stage. Take it away. Have at it.
Thank you. I'm grateful to be here. So we are going to get into food and nutrition, your hair, and what you eat supports you overall.
And just because you have Sisterlocks doesn't mean that you're any different than if someone had loose natural hair in terms of your hair being natural in its natural state, right? So Sisterlocks is natural hair, so you are natural, but you just lock your hair up. So the hairs from the scalp, the follicles need nourishment, needs to be hydrated and moisturized so that it's easier for those little hairs to come up and emerge from your scalp.
When it comes to coloring your hair in general, but particularly if you have locks or Sisterlocks, that steaming or hydration from the follicular level, which means at your scalp's follicles, that moisturization and hydration from that level is not only key, but almost mandatory. I'm gonna start from least damaging and go all the way up to the most damaging. And this is even if you have low porosity hair, high density, you could hold a press for a month. You know, your hair just repels water perfectly. You could get a relaxer and your hair was down your back. You know, all those hair types still will experience some damage, quote unquote, or another way to look at that is it will change the composition of your strands on the molecular level.
And you just sit back and relax. You can look at a movie on your phone, or you can meditate. You can read a book. It's your time. You do what you want to do, right? That's what it's all about, doing what you want to do and just allowing that steam to rehydrate your hair.